Delicious.
Welcome. Here I am. This is episode number 1. LFGGG. I got my first. What do we call you? Uber driver?
Is it a game show? Am I a contestant?
You want to play a game?
Yeah, let's
This
play
is not
a
a
game.
game. This is my
let's do math
podcast.
problems right now.
This is my. This is my podcast.
Oh,
This is my first guest, Cristal. She's driving me wherever I tell her to go. So
I'll drive you into a river.
we're not going there right now, but maybe someday. I got another guest back there. Oh, you can't see him because he's in the dark.
So are we going to Target?
Yeah. Yeah, we can go to Target.
Do you guys want like snacks? Because we can get snacks from Target at 10. Perfect.
We're getting snacks from Target. You heard it here first. That's where you like your snacks from?
Target? I don't know. It's just Target has a lot of big selection. You can have anything you want at Target.
Bro, look at my retainer.
Every time we come, why are you showing your retainers on my podcast, bro?
Bro, you got shorter now.
Look, it's Baby Yoda.
Oh yeah, I like that show. You like the show?
The Mandalorian. That's a good show.
Yeah, it's a good show. I haven't seen the second season, but I saw.
Yo, you gotta watch the second season.
I saw.
Why haven't you watched the second season yet?
I don't have access to Disney Plus account anymore.
Because you're poor.
Exactly.
You have Disney minus.
You know, poor people stick to the channel, the TV provider channel.
Yo, but like cable's expensive though.
Cable, yeah,
cable is really like
expensive. That's why I don't pay for it.
Yeah,
my mom does.
Oh, your mom does.
Yeah, you know me. I'm always the supporter of the family. I'm never the provider.
You're the support. Entonces, explícame. Those are the same. That's like a synonym. Those are the same words. Supporter and provider are the same thing.
In my vocabulary, it means different things. All right. Okay. We're making a stop here.
We're stopping at Target.
Target, CVS, Dollar Tree.
The Target
TJ
Adventures.
Maxx, Home Goods. We here for a good time, not a long time. That's what Drake said. You heard it here first. So that's what we're going by. Oh, there's a buffet right there. All right, we'll be back with another section of this episode. Thank you. Here we are in Target section, beauty supply, because we got some beautiful people here. Lil, I'm gonna ask you a question. Please answer with sincerity. Please.
Yeah, I got you.
What do you do to your face, man, every day?
My face every day? I wake up, I throw some cold water in my face, call it a day. That's it. That's all I do, baby.
You heard it here first. He actually cleans his face. I usually don't like asking these questions to women because I don't want to make them feel some type of way. But here we have Cristal, and she wants to answer this. Say what you just said, bro.
Yo, bro, look what I'm buying for your birthday, bro. Right here, bro. 20 grams of protein, bro. Birthday cake for him, for my big brother.
You heard it here first. What do you have to say? Here we are once again in the ice cream section. I told Crystal that ice cream has 22 grams of protein. She actually believed me, so she gonna eat the whole shit.
I'm gonna have so much ice cream because I heard it has 22 grams of protein. So I'm gonna eat it every day. Every day.
You heard it here first. Here we got one. He's actually checking the nutrimental facts. That's what nutrition facts. That's what we call it. The nutrition facts to check for the protein itself. How much protein does it have?
Here we got 2 grams of protein, baby. So if you eat like, let's see how many rings.
2 grams. You heard it here first. Now we're gonna. You taking that one?
Yo, there's 16 grams of protein right here, baby. You eat this whole thing, 16 grams right there, easy, bro. Light.
There you go. There you go. We just trying to stick to a diet and claim the diet and just go for it. I'm gonna pick one right now. Hold up. We have made a choice, and here we are. Obviously, with the most obvious choice out there: cookies and cream and dulce de leche. Thank you.
They're gonna be like, we made the decision.
Okay.
we
All
have
right.
we have made the
This
decision.
is ridiculous.
Chips Ahoy, chewy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Second question. Oh, yo, what type of vibe you on? Second question of the day. This one's for Leonel Viz. What are you doing now? You have how many social media accounts you have and why?
Social media accounts? Let me think about this question. I have 3. No, I have 4. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok, if that counts. But I only use Twitter to check if Curry dropped like 40 points every night. And Snapchat, I just use it to like text like one person. You know what I'm saying? Instagram, I just check to see the bullshit people be doing. TikTok, I just
You heard it here first. Leonel Viz, he loves his and he he chooses social media to distinguish them as he sees them. Thank you very much for tuning in. Yeah, there you go. We made it out. 15 minutes. We did that. We did it quick. Now we walking quick. You know it. What do you think? What do you think?
what happened? You said something?
Yes, yes, yes. What do you think about our run to Target?
It was great. It was great. See you later.
You heard it here
Okay.
first. All right. Let's get in the car before they leave us.
I literally washed my car today, and a bird took a goddamn my window.
Yeah.
You know what that means, guys? It means good luck. usually that's what that means.
That's so disrespectful. Yo, that bird.
The bird.
We gotta kill that bird. And his family.
Yeah. That's us. We are mic'd up episode right now. You know what I'm saying? Yours is on, right?
Mine is not on.
Turn it on, bro. There's a thing on the bottom. You turn on. Mic'd up episode. We eating square and triangle pieces. Eating square and triangle pieces while beating Leo at the new baseball game that we bought. My team's name is Hot Corners. I'm the home team. Got 7 runs, 9 hits, no errors. You know, I'm like that. Just leave a press, bro. And yeah, this is our episode today. We've made it so far.
Hello. I'm trying to see if it works, bro.
How are you gonna see? Yeah, it's green. If it's green, it works.
You hear me?
This guy has never been mic'd up in his life, bro.
First time me mic'd up. Yo, I should have been mic'd up to like a high school baseball game. That would have been fire. Like, bro, I would just be talking about like the other games that are happening because I always wear just trash. Just walking people. Alright.
Yo, it's trash talk?
No. It was just walking people. So it was trash.
Oh, you were walking people.
I wasn't walking people. I was looking at the other games while playing outfield.
You heard of here first. East Harlem Pride. I was looking at other games while playing.
Yo, you can see a picture of me literally turned around looking at another game. My game. Why are we mic'd up eating, bro?
You don't have to look at the mic, bro.
Yes, I do, bro. Is it there? It's still there, bro.
Oh yeah, right now we got Crystal here in our house. I mean, we're guests, but right now we kind of taking over.
Don't fall, bro.
We kind of taking over right now because Crystal, she doesn't want to be here. So we.
Get out of my house.
You're not mic'd up, bro.
You guys been like that.
Bro, you're not supposed to be eating meat, bro.
Who's that?
It's 11, bro.
No.
Now it's 12. It just turned 12. You there?
There's not that much protein. Actually, in DR it's 12. What are you saying?
Yeah, it's the same time as
Oh, it's the same time.
Wow.
It's the same time.
You guys are eating pepperoni on Good Friday?
Nah, I took off the pepperoni. I gave it to the cat.
I think Good Friday. Good Friday was really good.
Um,
I didn't even eat habichuela, so.
if you can tell Alexa to do a lot of things. So, do you want to make that light?
Wait, hold on. Say it for the people.
You gotta sit down.
We gotta sit
Get in
down.
the camera. Get in the camera.
Here we have
Hey.
Crystal. This is actually her house, but you know we're here.
This is my cat. Sammy, do you want to say something? Say something. Say something. Yo, you wouldn't shut up earlier, and now you won't talk? Say something. All right, so as I was saying, in my house, you can tell Alexa to do a lot of things for you. So if, for example, this light is bothering you and you want it to be, I don't know, say purple, you say, Alexa, change the color of the living room light to purple. And it's purple now.
What are the colors?
Any color.
Any color?
Any color you want.
Alexa. I forgot.
So you're telling me Alexa can hear us?
Mm-hmm.
Can she see us too?
Yes. Alexa's everywhere. Alexa, change the color of the living room light to green. Green now.
You could change like to
Alexa's
multiple
real.
colors
Alexa's
at a
real.
time.
That's a good point. I don't know.
Alexa's real.
Mhm.
She lives here. She also lives here. Like, does she pay rent?
No, she doesn't. I gotta talk to Jeff Bezos about that.
Yeah, we got a fourth person in this living room, but we can't see them. But we can't feel
So,
them.
Another thing that you can do is, I guess, if you play music. I've never tried this before, so.
You don't want pizza? Why not?
This is for you guys.
Awesome.
All right.
I don't know about the triangle one though.
Yeah, I only ate the square one so far. Let me get the triangle. What's going on?
I'm trying to see if it'll change. It's supposed to like change with the music.
There you have it, folks. We got party lights here. We got Alexa here. Who else we need? I don't think I'm missing anyone. Are we missing anyone left?
All right.
He's texting someone on Snapchat right now. If you're watching this, you're that person that he's texting, please stop.
That
Yeah.
again. Yo, I gotta do my essay.
¿Cómo que tu essay?
Oh, it's due in 8 days.
Okay. At least it's not due at midnight. That's what you were gonna say.
Nah. Imagine on spring break. That would be crazy. Nah, that's light though. I already started.
Okay. Go do your essay.
I have
Nah,
one more question
I'll
for
do
you.
it like the 15th.
What do you think of a video of me eating? Just that's a video of me eating different foods in one day.
I think that's the dumbest idea I've ever heard.
There we go. That's our next TikTok.
But it could also
Stay
go
tuned.
viral.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned. You heard it here first. Have a
Yo, I left toothbrushes upstairs. They're in the bed.
okay. Thank you.
And there's like a closet, if you want to take a shower or whatever, the closet's there, you can grab a towel.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we can shower here. We can brush our teeth. We can basically live here. But we're gonna have Alexa watching us. And yeah, I don't think it's that weird, you know, but I do see how Alexa can have a meaningful impact to a house, especially with these lights.
Hey, what's good, guys? We back with another video. I wanted to say that so bad, bro.
You just ruined my whole video, bro.
I don't care, bro.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
You heard it here first.